story. Every moment leaves a mark. From a handshake to a memory, from a spark into the heart. Don't just give them something simple, give them something they will keep. A piece of time, a piece of meaning, not just something they will leave. Make it last, make it matter, make them take it home. Bangkok Crafters brings the story into every single tone. Trusted by brands to craft what memories become. Not just a gift, but a feeling they take home. Make it last, make it matter, let your story shine. From events to weddings, every moment in time. Bangkok Crafters, where memories are made. Not just a gift, but a mark that will stay. For events, for weddings, for every special day. Bangkok Crafters, where moments stay.